Welcome to Astha Consulting. Thanks for watching Astha Consulting YouTube channel, and we are very happy to see the responses which is coming from your side, and because of that only we are getting motivated and coming up with the new videos. There are lots of feedback which is coming to us from the candidate from South India or other part of India, those who are not very comfortable in Hindi, although they are watching our videos, but they are not able to understand it completely. So they are requesting us to help them by making videos in English so that they can also understand and get the benefit of Astha Consulting YouTube channel. So because of that only we are coming with very useful video today, and which has been requested by many candidates. And as you know, now the Gulf market has started doing recruitment, especially if we talk about Saudi Arabia, and some of our candidate also got selected. So everybody want to know about the process of Gamka Medical, doing Gamka Medical. There are lots of new candidate. Those who already worked in Saudi Arabia and already gone through this process, they understand it. But there are lots of people who don't understand what is the procedure of Gamka Medical. Even lots of people are actually using fraud website of Gamka Medical, and they are losing their money. So we are here to help you by providing a step-by-step solution for the Gamka Medical. Even we are going to also provide you some tips and trick that might help you to optimize the chances of getting pass in this medical test. And so before starting this, I would request you to please like, subscribe, and comment. Comment is very important to, and you can let us know how we can proceed further, what are the next topic you want to hear from us, and any information that might help us to improve further. So without wasting time, let's begin. So basically, the moment you got selected for any employment category for the countries such as Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Kuwait, UAE, Oman, Qatar, and Yemen. If you got selected on an employment category, employment visa category of any of these country, they always suggest you to go for the Gamka Medical, because they only accept Gamka Medical reports for the visa stamping or for the visa process. So the moment you got selected, the client will let you know to which agency you have to approach for the visa stamping process. So agency will give you two things to proceed with the Gamka medical process. One is visa number and visa date, especially I'm talking about Saudi Arabia. And the moment you got this information, you need to go to the website of Gamka Medical. I'm just giving you the complete name of it, which is v2.gcchmc.org. I'm repeating again, it's v2.gcchmc.org, and I'm mentioning this detail website name in my description, so you can get the actual correct website name of Gamka Medical, and you can share with your friends also if they doesn't know this. So what you have to do, you have to go to this website, and the moment you click on book an appointment, then there's a form will open, and you need to fill the complete form. First you need to choose the country for which you are going to attend this Gamka Medical, then visa details and other details you have to fill, and you have to make a payment of $10 by your international debit and credit card. Make sure that your debit and credit card has authorized for international transaction or not, because nowadays government has it's not by default it is coming for the domestic uses. For the international uses, you need to get it authorized from the bank. So and only master and visa card can be used for this purpose. Rupee card will not work for this transaction. So the moment you choose all the city and everything, and you got the moment you make the payment, you will get Gamka slip, online Gamka slip. So in online Gamka slip, you can see the city name and medical center name and address on which you have to go visit and attend this medical. So the moment you have Gamka medical slip, then what you need passport, you need a white background, color photograph, and I will suggest you at least get 30 copy of the same photograph, which you can use at the different time, like on the time of medical, then visa stamping, and then while traveling you also carry the same photograph. If you use same photograph, this will be a better option. And always try to go with the latest photograph so that you don't face any problem like your face is not matching or something like that. So this is the best option. So I was repeating to what document you have to bring to medical center. So passport, white background, 4 5 photographs, and then online Gamka slip. So and that visa number and visa date. So these are the document which is required. You need to bring, and then you need to go to medical center. You have to give this information and the document to the medical center, and then you will attend the medical over there. And next day, first day you will attend the medical center, and next day or by the evening you need to call to the medical center just to know the update that you are medically fit or not. The moment they confirm you that you are medically fit, then you can give your copy of passport and color photograph to your recruitment agency for the MOFA number. So they will upload on the Gamka on the website, and they make some payment and generate the MOFA number, and they will share with you. And then next day or same day evening you have to go with the MOFA number, and then they will update the same MOFA number on the Gamka website so that your report will be online with the embassies for the, and that will help us for the visa stamping. And the moment they will update on the MOFA number, and they will give you the medical report. And after the getting medical report, you need to share your document, passport, medical report, Gamka slip, photograph, exit paper if you already worked earlier in Saudi Arabia and other country with your hiring agency, and they will process for the further for the visa stamping. Here one my suggestion, don't take MOFA number unless and until you will not get the confirmation from the medical center that you are fit or not. Because if somehow if you not qualify the medical test, you got fail in medical test, then your 2 to 3 thousand will be wasted, because agency will going to charge you for that, for the movie, because they are paying in dollars, so they will definitely charge you back. Some agency might charge 4,000 or 3,000. Actually 2 to 3,000 it's okay. Then also there are lots of candidate who actually don't know how, what preparation they actually do, so that they will not lose this opportunity. Here is my tips and tricks for all the candidates who are going to appear for the Gamka medical. So I will suggest at least you do some preparation and do some changes in your life prior to at least 3 to 4 days before going for the actual Gamka medical. So what are that? First, start using home cooked food which is less in spices. Second, light diet. Second, if you do a smoke or drink or use gutka or any tobacco product, avoid using it for at least for you're not before going for the Gamka medical. Third, drink more and more water. Fourth, you use coconut water at least 2 to 3 pieces in a day. It's not very expensive, so you can use for 3 to 4 days. And if there's any small scar problem because of the tobacco usage or because of the alcohol usage or any small reason, this will disappear because of this. But any major problem, if there is scar because of major problem like TB or any other disease, this will not help us, and I will suggest those guys not to appear for Gamka medical, because they will definitely reject you. Secondly, if you are not sure, this tips what I told you, 4 points, like consumption of water and coconut water and light diet, and avoid using of smoke and drink. This will help us in optimizing chances of getting pass in Gamka medical. But in some case, some circumstances, you're not sure that you are medically fit or not. I will suggest before going for actual Gamka medical, you will go for pre-medical at any authorized Gamka center if they ready to take conduct your test, or you go to any trusted medical center like Rimvaxi, Lal, or any leading hospital, and you try to go for the similar kind of test what you are supposed to go for the Gamka medical, like urine test, blood test, sugar level, SGPT, and everything, and urine test, all tests you try to go on medical center. And if you have no problem, you can directly go for the Gamka medical. That's fine. So if you take care of these precautions, uh, you can brighten your chances for joining your new employer, and you can make your career bright. So hope I have answered your majority of the question, and we will be expecting to come back with you with more videos in English in coming days. And I request you to please help us by knowing us the feedback in comment section. And if you have any question, do let us know. We will try to help you by providing the necessary information, and we'll try to help you as much as we can help you in this kind of information. Thanks for watching Asta Consulting YouTube channel. Do like, subscribe, and comment. And Jai Hind.